many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'd find your way to me? Tell me, what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that's happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be: that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you, and the choice was never ours. It's as if the powers of the universe conspired to make you mine. And till the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Too many foolish people trying to come between us. None of them seem to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know why I belong here. In your arms I found the answer. Somehow nothing would seem so wrong here if they'd only realize that I was born for you, and that you were born for me. And in this random world, this was clearly meant to be. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. And as
Calvin Isaiah T. Zaya with honors.
until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you.
I want you to stay, never go away from me. Stay forever, but now that you're gone, all I can do is pray for you to be here beside me again. Why did you have to leave me when you said that love will conquer all? Why did you have to leave me when you said that dreaming was as good as reality? And now I must move on, try to forget all the memories of you near me. But I can't let go of your love that has taught me to forget all the memories of you and me. But I can't let go of your love that has taught me to hold on. Why did you have to leave me when you said that love will conquer all? Why did you have to leave me when you said that dreaming was as good as reality? Why did you have to leave me when you said that love will conquer all? Why did you have to leave me when you said that dreaming was as good as reality? I want you to stay, never go away. Stay forever.
To stay, but I have to go away.
Transfer mo. Ang positive, pag transfer mo, magiging negative. Ang negative, pag transfer mo, magiging positive. Why? Four. Paano mo yung namin mag-check? Substitute ulit. Ang X square. Ang Y 4. 4 is 5. Ulahin 5 equals 5. Pagtanong ng teacher mo magpaliwanag simple.
Hindi mo pwede magamit.
Para tamaan, ini checking lang ini na substitution. Di ba? Checking lang ini to check kung tama ang sagot mo. Ipaputol ko ang muro ko kung mali ang sagot mo.
Teacher rin na si mama mo. Learn from your mistakes.
Yan, ganyan kasi.
Ikaw daw mag-video man. Nalaro ako. Adi na kayo wala, Didi. Wala dyan. Wala dyan. Sayang na to. Ay, dito. Ganda ng tayo. Ben, may iwan ko siya. Ang nalungo.
Lune. Nasoy. Marte. Nang tayo'y muli magkita. Miyerkole.
Me, magsai ka. Daddy. Hey, Daddy.
Ay, Daddy.
Ikaw man.
Ay, Nani.
Kuya.
Hello. Hello.
Hey, Daddy.
Hello.
Hey, Daddy nga ni.
Hello.
Bye.
Wait lang. Hi, Dad.
Come on. Hey, Dads.
Ay, si Bem na, si Bem.
Si Bem. Wala, video lang ini.
Dali. Wala, Daddy.
Ako niya. Nagkabara magsunod sa lista. Kulit siya. Hello. Ay, wait.
Happy birthday.
ka? Nakay nagtitiktok ka. May, mag-exam ka na, May. Yan, nag-exam.
One of your fails.
Me. Good job.
From a distance, the world looks blue and green, and the snow-capped mountains white. From a distance, the ocean meets the stream, and the eagle takes to flight. From a distance, there is harmony, and it echoes through the land. It's the voice of hope, it's the voice of peace, it's the voice of every man. From a distance, we all have enough, and no one is in need. And there are no guns, no bombs, and no disease, no hungry mouths to feed. From a distance, we are instruments marching in a common land, playing songs of hope, playing songs of peace. They're the songs of every man. God is watching us. God is watching us. God is watching us from a distance. From a distance, you look like my friend, even though